May malunggay pa. Asa na sila?
Riders, coming!
Look at the bicycles. Sabay-sabay pa sila. Sabay-sabay lagi sila pag-gani. Oh my God. Anong payong ba? Anong payong? My. Oh, banjo din.
Okay, riders approaching the finish line. 300 meters, still leading. Okay. Last three laps to go.
Again? Wow! My God! My God! My God! Wala, luya na si Kuya. Laban! Laban pa.
In international competitions, and maybe even the list of our national training pool. Because cycling is under my
First award B, category 12 to 13 units. Bronze medalist,